and welcome to another session of Retail Graph. Today we will be discussing about vendor master. Go to start, go to master, and then we click on customer/vendor, and herein we select vendor. This is the vendor master screen. As you all know, in different menu options the syntax remains the same. We have home, view and options. In home we have new, edit, form view, print, delete and refresh. In view we have preview, print options, grid layout, save layout, and in options we have export to Excel, system maintenance, log reports, send SMS, export import data and detail search. Again we go to home. Also, as you know, we can change these parameters of vendor master by going to set grid layout and selecting the desired parameters and then saving the format. Let us select the first vendor, Agarwal Distributors. We select this row and click on edit. These are the details of Agarwal Distributor, who is a vendor. Like in official details we have address, station, locality, pin code, fax, phone, mobile, email, website, date of birth, date of wedding, bank details, carrier details, posting account details, contact person if any. At the top we have alias, which can be auto generated. Status is active. If it is inactive, we click on inactive and then select a date, that from which date the vendor is inactive. Down we have license details like TIN number, issue date, valid till date. Similarly for CST number, DL number, PAN number, other license number, issue date and valid till date. Also we can add the price/discount reference if any, else we can create new. Similarly refer by details can be added and credit days can be added here. If there is any pending bills, we can click on pending bills opening balance and settle them. Now we click on approved products within the vendor Agarwal Distributor. These are the approved products within the vendor. We can also add more products and the discounts associated with that by just clicking on product filter, and let's say we select capsule category, which is already selected, so let us select injection and click OK, and discount is of 1% and we add yes, update all. So we have updated. Now we can also delete the product filter by just selecting the injection category and clicking on OK, and then we can delete it. So we have deleted. Now in price list, as shown earlier in the master customer, we can also copy the price from vendor or standard product or latest product. So if we select it from vendor, copy it from vendor, then we select vendor and select, let's say, Alok Medical Agencies and update. So the price list of Alok Medical Agencies will be reflected in Agarwal Distributors. Similarly, if we wish to do it from product standard, we can click on product standard and select the products as shown earlier, category wise, marketing wise, brand wise, location wise. Similarly, it can also be done with product latest, which will take the latest stock. And finally we click on save. So this is edit. Similarly, we can do a form view also, as you know, edit the details and then save. In form view we remain on the same window does not close. We can also print, delete and refresh. Also, to create a new vendor, we click on new and enter in the same details which I have just shown it to you. I hope you have understood vendor master. Thank you so much.